Hi everyone, welcome to this short and sweet hands-free Vinyasa flow. So as the title says, we are going to work hands-free today. So no chaturangas, no down dogs, but don't let that put you off because we are still going to move dynamically. We are still going to work a little bit of strength and a little bit of the whole body. So it will be a full, well-rounded, balance, strengthening flow. So with that all being said, modify, adjust, add in and take away whatever you need to. And we're going to start standing at the top of the mat. So coming to mountain pose, bring your feet together or slightly apart, nice tall spine here. Just take a moment to grow nice and tall, close your eyes if you haven't already. And just take a moment, roll the shoulders up to the ears and roll them down and back. Let's just do that one more time, roll the shoulders up, down and back. Pausing there, taking a deep breath in. And a sigh to release. Beautiful. And just closing your mouth and just taking a couple of breaths here. Just grounding yourself, bringing yourself into this moment, into this space. And just continue to work with this breath, build this breath, and allow it to guide you through your practice. When you're ready, bring your hands to heart center, opening your eyes. We're going to get moving. So take a big breath in, reach your arms up to the sky. And as you exhale, drop your right hands to your right thigh. Just take a side bend over, drawing your hips to the left. Inhale, both arms reach up to the sky. Exhale, switch sides, reach over with the right hand. Inhale, both arms reach up. And then exhale, start to circle the arms as you fold. So soft knees, let your chest drop down, your head be heavy. You can grab opposite elbows or just let the arms dangle as you just take a moment to sway it out here. Just releasing the legs, the lower back. Beautiful. Pause once you are ready. Chin to chest, start to roll vertebrae by vertebrae all the way up. Once you get to the top, inhale, head up, arms up, reach up. And then exhale again, forward fold all the way down, lifting the tailbone maybe a little bit higher. Chin to chest, we're rolling all the way up. One more time, inhale, reach your arms. And exhale to fold all the way down. Beautiful. Now this time as you inhale, lift your chest halfway, little bends in your knees, send your arms behind you, look forwards. And then find a deeper bend in your knees and chair pose, reach your arms forwards. Beautiful, take a breath in. Exhale, aeroplane chair, chest to thighs, arms reach back. Again like that, inhale, arms up. Exhale, aeroplane chair. Beautiful. This time inhale, arms forwards, chair. Shift your weight into your right foot. And as you exhale, aeroplane chair, step your left foot to the back of the mat. Lower your left knee, you're in a low lunge. And then inhale, reach both arms up to the sky. Pause for a moment, draw your hips forwards, feel the length through the lower back. Beautiful. Now take a deep breath in, make sure those left toes are tucked. Exhale, aeroplane lunge. So we're going to lift the left knee, chest to thigh, arms behind you, really strong in the legs. Again like that, lower the left knee, inhale, low lunge. Exhale, aeroplane lunge, lift the left knee and arms back. Again, drop the knee, inhale, low lunge. Last time, exhale, aeroplane lunge, pause. Look forwards, bring your weight into your right foot. Inhale, chair, left foot steps forwards, arms reach forwards, lift all the way up, nice. Take a breath in here. Exhale, aeroplane chair, chest to thighs, arms back. Inhale for chair. Exhale, aeroplane chair. We've got one more inhale for chair. Shift into your left foot, this time exhale, right foot steps back, aeroplane the arms. Lower your right knee. Low lunge, arms sweep forwards, inhale. Pause, just sink into it. Little tilt of the tailbone. Beautiful, let's take a breath in. Exhale, aeroplane lunge, lift your right knee, chest to thigh, arms back. Again like that, drop the knee, inhale, low lunge. Exhale, aeroplane lunge. One more, drop the knee, inhale. Exhale, aeroplane lunge, pause. Look forwards, inhale, chair, right foot steps, arms sweep forwards. Hold, take a goodbye breath in. And then stand up, exhale, release the arms next to your hips. Take a deep breath in. And a big sigh, definitely feeling a little bit warmer here. Beautiful, from here, bring your feet about hip distance apart. Start to lean your weight into your tippy toes and then inhale, lift your heels, reach your arms up to the sky. Pause there, just really feel all the little micro movements in the ankles. And then really, really slowly, you can look down if it helps, so you don't bash into anything. We're going to just start to tiptoe backwards. So little tiptoes, really working the calves, the feet, little tiptoes, all the way until you reach the back of the mat. Once you're there, pause, lower the heels, release your arms. Beautiful, bring your feet together. On an inhale, back to your chair pose, bends the knees, arms reach up. Now this time, shift your weight into your left foot. Bring your right knee to your chest, bring your hands to your heart. Find a moment of balance. Little bend in the left knee, start to straighten your right leg. Good, from here we've got warrior three. So step your right foot as far forward as you can. Leaning into your right leg, lift your left leg off the floor. Good, flex the foot, pause for a breath in. And a breath out. Beautiful, inhale, left knee to chest, one-legged mountain. Right hands to hip, left hands to knee or little toe, lift your chest. And then gently open your left knee to the left. Keep the chest nice and broad. Beautiful, and then from here, release the grip of the hands. We've got a warrior two, so little bend in the right knee. Slowly step the left foot to the back of the mat. Pivot your hips to face the long edge of the mat, arms wide, and then adjust your feet as much as you need to. You might need to walk that right foot forwards. Pause for a breath in. Bend into it as you breathe out. Lovely, inhale, reverse your triangle, straighten the right leg. Right arm reaches to the back wall. And then exhale, triangle, back of the right hands to the shin, left arm to the sky at 12 o'clock. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Beautiful, inhale, rise up, arms to a T. Exhale, side lunge. So if you can, hands to heart, bending into your left knee, bring your left forearm to your thigh. So it's quite a high up side lunge. Lift your right toes, bum back, chest forwards. Good, now gaze to your right foot, breathe in. Exhale, warrior two, bend the right knee. We're going to repeat that. Inhale, side lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, side lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Good, this time inhale, side lunge, pause. Look over your left shoulder, back of the mat. Start to turn your right toes in. We're going to pivot to high lunge. So right heel is going to lift, arms to the sky. Good, stay strong in your legs, pressing into the big toes, breathe in. Exhale, hands to your heart, warrior three. If you want to, you can aeroplane the arms. Hopefully you don't have things in front of you like I do. Pausing, breathe in. And breathe out. Now a bit of a funky transition here. We're going to come into our one-legged standing balance, but we're going to do it backwards. So little bend in the left knee. Your right toes are going to land to the back of the mat. Bring your weight into your right foot as you bend your right knee. And then we're going to lift the left leg out in front of us. If you can, keep it straight. If not, bend the knee. Good, hold it there for 5. Feel the shakes for 4. For 3. For 2. On one, bend the left knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, chair. Sit into it. Good. Pause there. Breathe in. And breathe out. Shifting your weight into your right leg. Inhale, left knee to chest, hands to heart. Good. Look to the front, what is now the front of the mat. Start to straighten the left leg. Warrior three, step the left foot as far forward as you can. Lean into it. Lift your right leg. Pausing for a moment. Square the hips. On an inhale, right knee to chest. Pause there. Good. Right hand to right knee, left hand to hip. Start to open your right knee to the right. Keep lifting the chest. Lovely. Then release the grip of the hands. Slow transition, warrior two. So bend the left knee. Slowly step that right foot all the way behind you. Open your arms and your hips to the long edge of the mat. Pause as you adjust. Breathe in. And breathe out. Lovely. Inhale, reverse your triangle. Straighten the left leg. Reach up and back. Exhale, triangle, left hand to inner shin. Right arm to the sky. Good. Pause, breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, back up, arms to a T. Exhale, hands to heart. Start to bend into your right knee for that side lunge. Lift your left toes. Once you're there, bum back, chest forwards. Nice deep stretch through the inner hamstring. Good. Look to your left foot. Breathe in. Exhale, warrior two. Press off the right foot as you bend the left knee. Again, like that, inhale, side lunge, strengthening the legs. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, side lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, side lunge, pause. Look over your right shoulder, start to turn your left toes in and then pivot around into your high lunge. Arms up, nice bend into that right knee, little tilt of the tailbone. Take a breath in. Exhale, hands to your heart, lean forwards, warrior three. Lift your left leg up and back. Good, now we've got that funky transition, little bends in the right knee. Start to lower the left toes until they touch the floor. Lean your weight into your left foot as you bend the left knee a little bit. And then start to lift the right leg up in front of you. If you can, keep it straight. If not, bend the knee. Hold, feel the shakes for 4, for 3, for 2. On 1, bend the right knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, chair. Good, pause there, breathe in. And as you breathe out, bring your hands to your heart. Heel toe your feet about hip distance apart. Start to shift into your tippy toes. Lift your heels, last little bit here. And then lower your bum to the heels in a little toe stand. Good, now from here, reach your arms forwards. Start to lean your knees forwards, 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 gently placing them 1 or 2 at a time to the floor. Inhale, lift your bum, lift your arms. And then exhale, just cactus. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, sit your bum to your heels, release your arms next to your hips. Good, from here, lean your upper body back. Reach your arms forwards 1 or 2 at a time, see if you can catch that little toe stand. And then from here, a bit scary, use your fingertips if you need to. We're going to lean onto our heels and lower the bum down to the floor. Release the legs, release the arms, give everything a little bit of a shake. Beautiful. From there, let your feet roll outwards naturally. Let your spine round and just find a really heavy, soft fold. I realised that contradicted myself. Just let the fold be super sloppy, super relaxed. And just slow the breath for a moment. And then when you're ready, chin to chest, rolling up. Sitting however feels comfortable, whether that's kneeling, cross-legged, legs out long, hands to thighs, shins or lap. Grow nice and tall through the spine and just close your eyes. Taking a deep breath in and a sigh to release. Bring your hands to heart center, chin to chest, forehead to fingertips. Thanking yourself for showing up, for all the strength and energy you just created. And as always, thank you for allowing me to guide you through your practice and for sharing your time and energy with me. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste, everyone.